Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to assemble the Lowe StyleSelection's steel 4-tier utility shelving unit. I originally purchased this back in 2018 and it's still available today as of January 2025 at Lowe's for only $69.98. The unit measures 35.7 inches in width, 14 inches in depth, and 53 inches in height. Each shelf can hold 350 pounds when the weight's evenly distributed. Unlike their 3-tier kitchen shelving unit, this one does not have wheels. Instead, each leg has an adjustable leveler. In the box, you get 4 steel chrome-plated wire shelves, black plastic spacers, which can be adjusted in 1-inch increments, and instruction manual. Each leg consists of 2 sections that screw together. The leveling height adjustment is done without the need for a tool. The spacers consist of 2 plastic halves that mate around the leg. Just make sure that the arrow faces up towards the top of the unit. Once the spacers are attached to each of the bottom legs, simply slide it through the shelf opening until most of the spacer is concealed. After mounting all 4 legs, press down on the shelf to evenly seat it against the spacers. Grabbing another set of spacers, we place them on all 4 legs at the desired height for the next shelf. Once again, we slide the shelf over the legs onto the spacer, making sure they are mostly concealed, and we press down to level out the shelf. With that done, we grab the remaining legs that are threaded on the outside and attach them to the top of the floor legs. Then we apply spacers at the desired height for the next shelf and take that shelf and slide right over it. With 3 shelves in place, we finally get to the last shelf, which is capped on top and slides onto the legs for a finished look. Again, make sure to press down to level out the shelf. The kit includes wall mounting hardware, which can be used to attach the unit to a wall to prevent tipping over. An essential safety feature for those of you with small children. Once you place the unit in its final location, you can turn the adjustable plastic bottom feet to compensate for an uneven floor. Here's our unit 6+ years later. We've augmented it by adding some wood planks on the bottom shelf and some wire caddies near the top. Not only is this an easy and inexpensive project to build, but for us it provided much needed storage space in our small kitchen and makes finding items quick and easy. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you ever so much for watching.